You know what time it is? It's game time, baby. Let's make some money, guys. Today's episode is called How to Blow Up an Account. I have some Swan Lake in the background to keep you guys focused when you're blowing this account. Oh, let that music hit you, baby. That violin really got me there. US Tech 100, guys. Let's get right into it. US Tech 100 is the NASDAQ. And I'm trading the Monday after the US bombed Iran. I'm just gonna go ahead straight away. This is pre-market, so volatility might be low, guys. Look, I'm using this as support. Now this is a great candle. I love this candle, by the way. This is your first lesson of this video. The plus sign, you know this. But look, this is so strong and there's multiple plus signs. So you just use this and you would use the wick of it as well. Okay, I'm scalping here and I'm really raw dogging this one. I'm not using any I'm not using any gimmicks. It's straight up one line and just volatility. 15 minutes, guys. You see this candle, it's trying to pull, but this is actually a short. It will most likely come back to here. So I have to zoom in to 15. You see this candle? Most traders thought this was this is a short. All right, short position activated. The reason is it actually gapped up from this. It will probably go halfway and then continue down again. Not probably, it's guaranteed. You'll see that in a minute. If I can just get 5 points, that's $50, and I'll just go again. Because this is a dancing candle. Okay, so we'll probably just come back here. Oh my God, $5, $2. Oh, wow. Oh, 19. Come on, you didn't tell me you play like this, boy. $52, just like I said. Only been 2 minutes. Now this candle, 15 minutes, it's gonna try act like it's going down, but it's not. It's actually just going to touch this, because I'm looking here to the left. You see this support level, and it will bounce back up. See, I know the moves inside out, because I've been doing this a long time. But the only problem is, oh, that violin again. Don't do it. You don't have to play it like this. Anyways, guys. I can't focus with this violin. Can you guys? Anyways. 21,603. You see, it's playing games. It will probably pop all the way here from the 603. Like I said, it's because of this level. Actually, it might dip below because I'm looking now to the 5 minutes. So let's just see. And you have to always zoom out to see a better picture. Yeah, I'm gonna buy it here, guys, at this level. You see again the plus sign, left hand side. You see the plus signs. So I'm gonna go 596. The moment it dips below 600, 21,600, I'm gonna buy it. It will be a buy position. Okay, come on. Dippity dip dip. Just do. Come on, it's on the beat as well. Come on. Now, one thing you have to do, guys, is always zoom out. So we're up $50 now. I'm using a small account and I'm using leverage, just so you know. You'll find the platform I'm using in the description. I know some of you always ask me. Okay, I'm gonna enter here 600. I entered at 21,600. It won't make a difference. It's 3 points away. I'm gonna put a stop loss just so you don't get used to me not trading without a stop loss. Listen, I'll tell you one thing, guys. You're not gonna make millions trading like this. No way, Jose. Because it's just, as you do it over time, see, I know this game inside out. Look, this thing will turn green eventually, and I will cash out. So basically, what I was saying, we did put a stop loss, by the way, 15 points. So just in case, down what, 70, 80. Okay, now this beat is turning sad with the PNL. It was motivational earlier, now it's getting sadder. Guys, you can make money doing this. You can make your 500, 200, 1,000. It's just as you keep doing it, you start exposing yourself more to the market, and you just keep giving it back. That becomes problematic. So what you do is you make your money, give yourself a session, 1 hour, 2 hour, make it, withdraw it, go. This broker, you withdraw your money, it hits your bank account the next day, the same day. If you're from Europe, of course. I think it will be like the next day if you're somewhere else. But yeah, don't be afraid to withdraw, guys. Pay yourself. Don't try to grow your account and be a millionaire and rich. This is the dream sold to really to the little peasants, right? With no money, they just, like the gamblers, like Drake, where he's promoting his stake gambling website. Like, you're 40, you're promoting gambling. Calm down. Right, we need this to flip. At least here. Even here, that will give us $100, guys. So maybe we have to pause this. Because I don't want this running longer than 10 minutes. We don't want to be sitting here just watching this and be like, what the hell's happening? Look. Somebody come look at this. Here we go. Come on. Oh. Come on, son. You want to. You just the more you watch something, the more you kind of start to come out with ideas of where it can go to and where it will go to and where it will resist from. And then if you just let it go for a few more minutes, sometimes it goes way beyond what you're expecting, and sometimes it does just this. Son of a... Could have been $30 richer if I took that trade. It's like, Zed, what kind of a person are you? What kind of millionaire trades for $30 and $50, $100? You got an addiction, taking a puff of something other than the crack that you smoke, just to get your mind wired. Say, hey, I took it. Maybe that's healthier. And that's what I'm doing. I have an addiction to trading. So me making 100 is better than me risking 6 figures, and then over time I lose half of it, and then say, oh, I should have just been happy with what I have. See, I want to say, what Zed, what you're saying that, but what if you said you're good? Yeah, but I have 6 figures. I'm not gonna do this. I'd rather buy crypto and be down 55% unrealized loss than be down and lose it and then try to recover it by adding more money in. Not logical. Right? Not logical at all. So what I'm gonna do, guys, is pause this, because now we're just talking, and then I'll come back when it's time to close. But this here will turn green. Just remember our entry price, open price, 2160. Okay? And it will bounce from here most likely. Okay? Alright, well, listen, sometimes shit happens. I got stopped out, guys. So I'm down $100. Now I have to go back and reclaim it. So I'm going to have to just reset right here. I'm going to have to just open the buy again right here. Right, the reason I did that is because, again, there's a bigger support here. And I'm just looking at this level, 75. Okay. I'm down 100, but I'm going to get it back, guys. And it's good. This is the beauty of scalping. Right? Now we have to come back, make 200 to try and make back the 100. Because our stop loss was 150. So I'm actually going to... okay. So I'm just going to leave this one, because this will probably recover all the way to the top here again. That will give us 200, 250. And sometimes you have to retry, guys. Sometimes you have to actually retry before you get your footing right. You have to retry the trade. And it is what it is. And there it is again. Son of a Gonzalez. But that's fine, guys. There's a huge support that will be tested. Not every time you get it right. Sometimes you think you know it, but it's just a different outcome than the previous outcome you're used to or you thought you've seen before. And that's the beauty of trading. If it was so easy, then everybody would get it right. Okay, so this here will retrace, and the next green candle will push over 600. That will make us 150, and we will be, because we already made $50 and we went down 150, so now we're only down 100. So if we get to that level, we'll be up 200. Then in total, we'll be up $100 for this session. Yep. See, it's easier to trade small. So when you do lose, you're losing small. So it's easier to recover. When you make money, you're also making money small. Okay. So let me pause this. I'll share this with you guys whenever it's time. You see, we're up now $30. But yes, we guessed it would come from here based on support levels. Instead, it went to the lower support, and it was here. That's fine. You know, that's part of trading, guys. Not every, like, you have to guess the support level based on what you know, and sometimes you get it wrong, but you have to retry again. All right, guys. So there it is. We're now up 100 and so, 110, and if we close this here, we'd just be breaking even. But I'm just gonna show you something here. If we look at 5 minutes, this will most likely push. The next candles will probably push over here to 605. And from there, it will most likely push to here to 615. And from there, it has a recovery all the way here to 638. So that's going to be the trade. I'm actually just going to hold on to it. I will put a stop loss for this one just in case something, because we're getting close to market open. 15 points just because it's so yeah, there is a new candle that's opened up. This candle grabs liquidity down and then pushes up to this level, 605. Maybe from 605 I take the profit, or maybe just recovers to 617. But you've seen how when one support didn't hold, it went to the one below, and that one below worked out, right? You could actually implement a different strategy here. You could implement averaging in. So you would average in, you would open up one of the first support, and then another position at the second support. But me as a scalper, I'm okay seeing a little bit of red and just retesting or retrying it at a better entry. Okay, so here it is, guys. It's trying. Okay, I'll take 140. So we're back in profit. And that's the lesson, I guess, of today. Is what do you do when you take a loss and then we're shorting it again here? The reason why I shorted it is because it's at resistance. 605. So what this will do, we'll probably retest the lows again, just this. Give us a few dollars. Here's $30. Okay, now we're up like, we're up something anyways. But it's good session, isn't it? It's good that you guys get to see this. We're up some money, right? We're up some money. I think it's like just shy of 100. But it's good that you guys get to see these, because this is important. This is what you do. This is what you see when you're scalping, what you experience. This is the reality of it. What's the point of me showing you money? Just money, money, money. You learn nothing from it. I will post this, and you better press that like button. You better. See you guys. All right? There's plenty of videos where we just make a killing instantly. Not this one, though. Bye.